Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a very simple, easy Christmassy makeup look. Is the one I'm wearing right now. Obviously, I feel like it's so perfect for the Christmas time because you didn't put too much effort into it, but you still look, you still look cute. We all know this classic look, the barely there wing liner. I didn't do a wing liner, I just lined the lash line because I added some beautiful lashes because I don't have long, voluminous, fluffy, natural lashes. If you have them, well, I'm jealous, okay? You rock them, but I had to put some falsies on and the bold red lipstick, so I feel like you cannot go wrong with a classic look. Am I right? And also this will look beautiful on everyone, no matter what skin tone you have, no matter your hair color, no matter if you have big lips. I don't have big lips, I just overline them. So overline those motherfuckers. You do you, no one's gonna stop you. So make them look fuller and put that red lipstick on. I feel like this is a classic. I did some waves in my hair. I put a red top on and these cute little earrings. And that's it. You're good to go. As Taylor Swift would say, the classic never goes out of style. I'm going to have all the products listed down below. I feel like I used very affordable, accessible products to achieve this makeup look. And as I said, it's so easy. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Wow, it's so bright in here. You guys like my new beanie diffuser? I feel like you can't see it. It's so tiny and so cute. It's from Shein, you guys. I'm preparing more than one haul because I did bought a lot of stuff from them. So please focus, camera. You see how tiny and cute that is? It's like this tiny. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to film more than one Shein haul because as I said, I did bought a lot of stuff. Some of the items were present, so I'm not gonna be able to show you that, but probably I'm going to insert pictures, or maybe not. So now I'm going to get ready very fast because I don't want to put too much effort into this Christmas makeup. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do the bare minimum, you know. I think I'm going to do red lips because it's Christmas. I also have red nails. I think I want to change these two nails. I'm going to add some gold glitter maybe, you know, for the festive season spirit, whatever. So I'm going to groom my eyebrows, well, what's left of them. I'm also planning to put our tree right here in this corner because our cats are not allowed in this room if I'm not here. So I'm planning to film that too if you guys are interested to see that video too. It's gonna be a little bit weird because I don't know if I'm going to talk. I'm just going to put the ornaments in the tree. Anyway, let's focus on this video now. So I already have my sponge here. I need to do my skincare, so I guess I'm going to move very fast. And you guys, I wanted to buy the Too Faced Surge Injection Lip Plumper Filler, whatever, but that's €30. $30. What? It's just a lip gloss. What the heck? So I got this one instead. This is by the brand Lanvena. I found it on Amazon and this will be my third time using it. The first time when I put it on, I felt nothing. Like, I mean, it was a little bit minty, but I didn't felt any tingling, anything. I didn't saw any plumping situation. So I'm going to try it again. As I said, this will be my third time. Is cruelty free, which is very nice, but I feel like there's not a lot of product inside. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I'm going to apply it right now and I like it because it's not sticky. It feels minty. It doesn't smell, which is nice. Off camera I did my eyebrows to save a little bit of time here, but I used the Lottie London Arch Rival pencil. This is so good. I need to buy more of them. For primer, I'm going to go with the Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. This is more like a moisturizer than a primer, but the foundation that I'm going to use today, I feel like it doesn't need a blurring primer because the combo is so good. Anyway, so are you guys cooking for Christmas? What's more important for you, Christmas lunch or Christmas dinner? We do a huge lunch with every single food we prepare for Christmas, and then at dinner we just eat leftovers and have some drinks, maybe play some games or whatever, watch Netflix, I don't know. But as I said, we only have 2 people coming over, so that's still nice. Anyway, next I'm going to go with the Hourglass and Wet n Wild foundation. This is the dewy one, and let me tell you, this little combo right here, absolutely amazing. I discovered this combo a few days ago when I filmed, I don't know what video I filmed, but I tried to use this foundation, and obviously it's not my color because I'm so freaking ghost white pale right now, so this is not my color, but the combo is amazing. So I'm going to start with this one. Cat hair on my face, I hate that. So this is in the shade Sand. By the way, obviously today is not Christmas. Today is December 20th, so we still have a few days. I'm just filming this in advance to have time to edit because I don't enjoy editing that much. So that's that. Today is not Christmas, okay? So we still have time to cook the food for Christmas, and we're planning to do sarmale. I'm going to have the translation here on the screen. Racitura, ciorba, and maybe salata biof. But we are not sure about that yet. If we don't cook that for Christmas, we're going to make it for New Year's Eve. So what do you guys cook for Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm Romanian, by the way, if you're first time here on my channel. Hi, my name is Vera, and I like to film makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, clothing hauls. So obviously we are going to cook Romanian food because this is the vibe for Christmas. Oh, and I'm planning to do some cozonac too, because I did bought the robot, whatever that is called, to make the dough, and we want to see how that works. So yeah, I'm planning to do all that stuff in like 2 days, 3 days. I mean, it's not hard to make all this food, but it takes time. So now I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm telling you, this combo is so good. Okay, it's not looking bad, but it's still not my matching shade, as we can see. It's okay though. Next I'm going to go with concealer. I'm not doing any cream contour, any cream blush, whatever. So I'm going to go with powder products instead of creams. I still don't feel it, like the festive season, I still don't feel it, you guys. Everything feels so awkward, and I don't know why. To set this concealer, I'm going to go with my favorite powder ever. This is the Veil from Hourglass. Oh my god, this is my all-time favorite setting powder. It works so nice with my dry ass skin, but I don't use it that often anymore because I have so little product left, and this is so expensive, you guys. Like, this is 50 euros. Okay, I feel like the Sheglam one is very similar to this one, and I'm talking about this one from Sheglam is very similar to the Hourglass one, but obviously this one is a little bit better. Next I'm going to go with bronzer, and I'm going to use 2 bronzers. I'm going to go first with this one from Beige Cosmetics, and then I'm going to apply just a little bit of this one from Milani. This is more like a glowing bronzer. And also I'm going to bring it a little bit on my lids, more where my crease is. And on top of that, I'm going to go with the Milani one. This will add a little bit of glow. And for blush, I want to go with this pink one. So pink, so beautiful, from Sheglam. But I'm going to apply just a little bit, okay? Because it's pigmented. Also, I'm going to go with a little bit of this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso, because I feel like I don't have enough highlight on my face, even though I'm going to apply a highlight too. Just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. For highlight, I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Precious Petals. This is absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. I love it so much. You have no idea how beautiful this is. I need to try more shades. Skin looking glowy. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, my inner corner with this. I feel like I need to set my face first because this won't show in my inner corner. So glowy. Yeah, I'm going to melt all this makeup with the Morphe spray. So good. I love it so much. Also smells nice. And now I'm going to go with the highlight in my inner corners. Don't forget about the nose, even though I feel like I don't need to highlight the nose because it's pretty shiny already. I feel like every single product I used today, they work in harmony together and my skin looks absolutely so glowy. Let me zoom you in. And I don't know, why is this dark? Can you see that glow? Like, oh my god. Okay, very fast I'm going to line my lash line with the Sheglam liner. Anyway, I'm going to fix it if it needs to after I apply the lashes. So I'm going to go with the Barcelona style from Lavio lashes. I'm going to apply them off camera, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I still need to fix a little bit that liner because when you lay down the lashes, it will kind of mess a little bit with the liner. So I need to fix that. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I still need to do my hair down. I don't know, I feel like some effortless waves is the best decision, you know. Next I'm going to marry my lashes with the fake ones so it looks, you know, more natural kinda. I mean, you don't want to see your natural lashes facing down and the fake ones standing up and nice. Like, you want to marry them together. So this is what this little thing does. I know it looks a little bit scary, but it's not. Trust me. Be careful if you use this. And also, if you apply mascara, let that dry. Lashes looking hella cute. Yeah, I think I'm going to fix that liner. It bothers me. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to go with this Morphe liner. Let's see how it looks. I haven't done red lips in a very long time. Wish me luck. Feels nice. I feel like it's a little bit too dark for my liking. Let's see this one. Calm down, okay? Yeah, I feel like this is a little bit more, just a hint brighter. So I'm going to try to overline my lips like I always do. Let's go with the lipstick now. Looks crazy. This is a little bit more, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a little bit different than the lip liner. And it looks glossy. Wow. That's intense. If you make any mistakes, take a very small brush. I mean, not that small brush, but take a brush like this with a little bit of foundation and clean those edges. I feel like I don't need to do that. Now I'm going to do the hair, but first I'm going to have some lunch, so I have to take this off and I will come back to do the hair with you guys. Look at this. Yeah, basically that's it, and I'm back. Actually, it's been like 3 hours or so since the last clip you saw. I know I said I'm going to have lunch and then I'm going to do my hair, but actually a lot happened. Not me cutting my finger. Yeah, so that happened too. I did blow dry my hair, and also I added some extensions. As you can see, the extensions already have some soft waves in there. Okay, so apparently I don't know what soft waves means, because my hair is pretty curly. I'm going to brush it down and hopefully the curls will lose a little bit. My hair is freshly washed, so I know that it doesn't hold a curl, so I'm not worried about that. I'm worried more about the extensions. Wow, this is the hair. Let me turn around so you can see better. It looks pretty curly, okay? But it's okay though. I feel like this is so perfect for the Christmas lunch, dinner, whenever you want to wear this makeup look. Besides the Hourglass. Besides the Hourglass powder and the foundation, everything else is pretty affordable. So you can skip those two products if you don't have them. I mean, you don't have to use the products I used in today's video. Use whatever you have at home. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, have a wonderful time with your family or whoever you decide to spend the Christmas this year. And remember to stay humble. It's been a rough year. Not just for you, not just for me, but for everyone. So remember, you are loved, and I wish you guys all the best. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.